everybody! This has been a bit of a rainy week, so the boys have been making a
Junk City!
Junk City. So let's have a little look and see what they've done with bits of scrap cards. Well, mostly scrap card, isn't it?
Yep.
You've been making this, haven't you, Heck?
Yeah, it's a car. That's a car wash. That's
Car
a
wash.
shop. That's the petrol station.
And there's a petrol station. The petrol station's got legs, hasn't it, like that?
Yeah.
All held on with, we've used a lot of magnets there, which is one way of doing it. It's all held up there, and the shop's got a little sign, and it says on the truck, let's say 50% off. Oh, well, that's a good shop. Lovely. I love the car wash. It's got the little brushy bits at the front, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And then what have we got next?
I think I actually made them. Let's call it a hotel.
Okay, let's call it a hotel.
Just call it anything.
It's got a big monster in the
And
window.
that looks like a factory.
Lovely. And all these monsters you got from our website, didn't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Just download them. These are the bus windows which you can download and colour in, aren't they?
Yeah.
And you can print them out big or small or whatever. And what's that next to it? That looks a bit of an old mess.
It's a construction.
Ah, construction site. They are
Of
it's a mess.
scrap pieces that we could. It is
Oh,
a
lovely.
city, so it does have some stuff that's blue, so that you won't.
Oh, I see. And then you've got next to it. Oh, is that a post? It says post on it. It's a little post box.
Yeah.
And then there's a little phone booth.
Yeah.
And then we've got a little car just driving under that arch.
There's the not a person thing.
Oh, the sign there that says not a person, just so we know it's not actually a person.
A giant person.
It's a giant, it's a big poster.
These are people looking at the ad.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. So it's an ad and they're looking
A
at
bit
it.
like Amazon.
Yeah. And then you've got this big plastic pot, which is a sort of house with some steps. And then what's next round? Well, that's a tall building with a helipad.
It's not really.
Well, it's got a helicopter on it, hasn't it?
It's only one leg,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
Oh, one-legged helicopter and
It's an office.
office. I see. And we've got the train track going around the outside. And then here we've got. Oh, this is a big house, isn't it? I love that.
made all the
It's
big
got a little
houses.
garden as well at the front. Wow. And then you've made a bus.
Bus. Like a mini version of the big monster bus.
Love it. And then this bus is super tiny little monsters all printed out on the window. Brilliant. Love it. This is Orson's Junk City sign. That's beautiful colours.
It's official.
Wow.
It's
The end of a box.
It's official.
Official. And then the pièce de resistance is the Junko Ideas
Station!
We've had Mum's corrected you on the spelling, hasn't she? You did a little lesson for that. And what's that on the top all?
A light bulb.
Oh, good idea. Good idea for the idea station.
Station.
Good. So, that is our city. Amazing.
And also, everyone can decide on what this building is meant to be.
Well, yes, there's a blank building. That's the boys' city. What a lot of fun.
Bye!